You're watching Ride the Teacups, and this is the Disney Shooting Gallery in your home. So here we are in what is very obviously Disneyland Shooting Gallery in Frontierland. We built this in our own house. You can build it too. Super simple. We used some plates for targets and drew some targets on the back. These are the same plates that we drew on our Buzz Lightyear Astro Blasters ride. You can check that up right up here, and you should, because it's one of our favorites. And then we just taped them up all over our loft, grabbed some Nerf guns with darts, and off we go. If you don't have the Nerf guns or enough Nerf darts to go around, that's okay. We've got a link down in the description for you with some really cheap guns and dart options if you want to make sure you have enough. Now in Disneyland, of course, whenever you hit a target, you have a big animatronic pop out or have smoke or shoot across the lane. I don't have a budget for that because my shooting gallery costs a couple bucks instead of multi-million dollars, so it's about imagination, people. So have some fun, use some of your Disney props that you see up here, some other things that you may just have laying around the house that look like fun targets. Make it fun, make it memorable, have a blast. On your mark, get set, go! Is it safe?
I was hoping it wouldn't actually get out myself. That's gonna be hard to get down, right?
Woo! Oh, he got his even ear again.
Shockingly good.
Now we get ants.
There we go. Nice.
Shot.
Oh, that's terrible.
We both missed you, huh?
I'm just going to get one tuck in the ear condition on this. I've got 5 more left. Section cover's gonna help though. Aww. I'm so close to getting it on the wood. Yes! And wooden move.
Oh, I nicked that.
We did it at the same time.
That's pretty cool. Oh! Got blocked by Eve.
The hit Eve.
I did. I hit Eve by accident. Oh, that's very silly. Alright.
Down.
You stuck it on Eve's ear, buddy. That's very silly. Ooh, very good. Which one are you going to try to hit?
That one.
Okay, let's see. Wow, you got it. Good job, dude.
There. some of my good.
It's a free for all, dude. Mom's going fast. Woohoo!
Ow! Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
Yes.
Good job. Thanks for watching. This was really easy to put together and so much fun. Hope that you enjoyed it. You can build it at home. If you do, visit our Facebook page and post your pictures and your videos. We would love to see how you do your own shooting gallery. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you can get more. We're doing lots of Disneyland ride videos. We also help you plan your family's Disneyland trip without any of the stress and headaches. So be a part. And if you really enjoyed this, consider being a Patreon subscriber. Patreons get these videos early and they get the cool behind the scenes and our community. So thank you for watching. Have a great day and remember that you too can ride the teacup.